आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
The question here says the line y equals kx plus 4, where k is a constant, is graphed in the xy plane. If the line contains the point c, d, where c is not equal 0 and d is also not equal 0, what is the slope of the line in terms of c and d? Right. Now, the equation of the line we're given is y equals kx plus 4. We can compare this to the standard equation of a straight line, which is y equals mx plus c, where m is the slope of the line, right, and c is its y-intercept, or the y coordinate when x is 0, right? So comparing this to the given equation, we see that the slope is k and the y-intercept is 4, right? Now we need to find out the slope of this line in terms of c and d, where c and d are the coordinates of a point lying on this line. Now this c, not to be confused with the y-intercept here, so I'll rename this to c naught just to keep them separate, right? So y equal mx plus c naught, where c naught is 4 and c naught being the y-intercept. C and d is just the coordinates of a point lying on y equals kx plus 4, right? So we need to find the slope of this straight line in terms of c and d. What we can use here is the equation for finding slope when 2 points on the straight line are given, right? So suppose this is a straight line and we know the coordinates of these 2 points, these being x1 y1 and x2 y2. Then we can use the formula slope equals y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, right? But here we know only one point, right? So we can find out the second point using this y-intercept. I already told you that y-intercept is the coordinate, y coordinate of that point at which x equals 0 on that straight line, right? So what we can do here is we can put the value x equals 0 here and check what point lies on this straight line for which x equals 0. So y equals k times 0 plus 4, right? This is also a point lying on the straight line and its coordinates would be 0 comma whatever this value of y comes out to be, right? So here this term becomes 0 and we're left with y equals 4, right? So this coordinate is 0 comma 4. So this is another point that lies on this straight line, y equals kx plus 4, right? So we now have our 2 points and we can use this formula for slope. So we're going to take this value as x2 comma y2 and this value as x1 comma y1, right? So using the formula for slope, we have 4 minus d divided by 0 minus c, right, which is equal to 4 minus d by minus c. So this is the slope of the line y equals kx plus 4, right? What we can do here is we can multiply the numerator and denominator by minus 1 to get d minus 4 by c, right? Since minus 1 and minus 1 will already cancel out, therefore this does not change the value of slope. So here we have the expression for slope of this the given line in terms of the coordinates c and d, right? Comparing this to our options, we see that option A is correct, d minus 4 by c.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।